Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going through Cambridge IGCSE May June 2024 paper. This is paper 1-3, right? So you know the instructions, so I'm just starting directly here. So we have first question: write the number 2,002,002 in figures. 2,002,002. So we will make the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 and million. 2,020,000. 2,020,000 is going to be 20,000 and 2. 2 is going to be here. Thousands place is going to be here. Sorry, 2,002,000, sorry, here is 2. Rest of them we are going to fill with the zeros. So we have the number here like this. Okay, now put one pair of bracket into the calculation to make this calculation correct. So answer is 53. So if we put this 4 times 3, it's 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 9 is not enough. This one, so that means something should be bigger here. So if I take this one, 5 plus 4 times 3 times 9, it is 12. 12 times 4 is 48 plus 5 is 53. So bracket is going to be here, right? Now the next one we have simplify. Simplify means we were going to combine the like terms. So we have here 7x minus x and then 8, and this 7x minus x is 6x minus 9y. So we have 6x minus 9y is the answer. Okay. Now write this correct to the nearest thousand. Nearest thousand. So let me rewrite this first of all. Ones, tens, 100,000. So this is thousands place. So we are looking for the right number. Right number is more than 5, so that we are going to add 1 over here. It will be rounded up. So it will be 165,000. Okay. Now part B, write correct to one decimal place. This is 16.983. One decimal place is here. So the next number to this one is greater than 5. So we are going to add 1 over here. So when you add 1, 16.9 plus this is going to be plus, here we are adding. So this is going to be 17.0. 17.0. Two significant figures are going to be here. So this number is 6 is greater than 5, so we are going to add 1 over here. So this will be 0.038. Okay. Now number 5a, on the diagram draw the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry is this one here. Next, draw the order of rotational symmetry of this. Order of, as you can see, this is an equilateral triangle. So the order of rotational symmetry is going to be 3. Number 6, write these numbers in order starting with the smallest. So we are going to convert these numbers into decimals first of all. So when you divide this, convert this into decimal, so the first one already we have in the decimal. Let me use my calculator. So this is this is 42 over 100, so that is going to be 0.42. This is 0.45, and 4 divided by 11 gives us 0.3636. 2 divided by 5, it's 0.4. Okay. So now we see which one is the greatest one here. The smallest, sorry, starting with the smallest. So this one, you see, this is 036, 0040, this is 42, this is 45. So this one is the first one here, and then the second one is 40, which is going to be this one, and then this and this 42 and 45, right? Because the whole part is 0, so we will just look at the decimal part. So remember guys, your answer should be in the original form. So you need to write down these numbers, not the ones that you have calculated. So we are going to have here 4 over 11, then we have 2 over 5, then we have 42%, and finally we have here 0.45, right? Now number 7, the base of the cuboid measures 10 centimeter by 7 centimeter. The volume of the cuboid is 280 centimeter cube. Calculate the height. As you know that the volume is length times width times height, that is the volume, right? And length now is 10, and the width is 7, height we don't know, and all this is equals to 280. So divide by 10 times 7, divide by 10 times 7, right? So this is gone, so we have h here, so this 0 is gone, so 4, so h is 4 centimeter, height is 4 centimeters, right? Now number 8, in a city the probability it will rain is 0.15, find the probability it will not rain, right? So that is 1 minus 0.15, 1 minus 0.15, it is 0.85. You see, this paper is very simple, guys. So it was, those were guys were lucky who got this paper. So before we start next question, kindly subscribe to the channel, it helps a lot and supports and motivates to do more papers. So kindly subscribe and share it with your friends, and let me know in the comment section about the video, and press the like button. Blessed, be blessed, guys. Number 9, one day temperature in Tokyo is negative 5 degrees Celsius and temperature in Manila is 18 degrees Celsius. Work out the difference. So you see, this is our 0 and negative 5 is somewhere here, just the rough one, here 18. So the difference is here. So just make you clear. So 18 is this side, 5 is this side. So you are going to add 18 plus 5, it is 23, right? Now the temperature in Tokyo rises by 4 degree. Tokyo was negative 5 degree Celsius and now it is rose by 4 degrees, so plus 4. So this is going to be negative 1. Now number 10, these are the first 4 terms of the sequence, write down the next term. So if you add this one here, you see we are getting next term by adding 7. Write down the next term. So 24 plus 7, which is 31. Write down the term to term rule. As you have seen, we are getting the another term by adding 7. So add 7 is the term to term rule. These are the first 4 terms of another sequence. This is another sequence. Write the next 2 terms. Now you see that sequence is decreasing by how much? 16 and 14. This is the minus 2, then minus 3, then minus 4, next is going to be minus 5, right? Next is going to be minus 7. 7 minus 5 is 2, then 2 minus 5 is negative 3. So 2 and negative 3 are the next 2 terms. Sorry, this is not, wait, this one. Once we got this term here, this term is here 2, then 2 minus 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, not 7, sorry, this is 6. 2 minus 6, so 2 minus 6, this is negative 4. So this answer is not negative 3, this is 4, negative 4, right? Now number 11, the diagram shows an isosceles triangle, find the value of x. Now isosceles triangle, we have 2 sides equal. Now opposite angles to the equal sides are also equal. So if this is 36, this is also going to be 36. Now sum of the angles of the triangle is x plus 36 plus 36. This is 180, right? X plus 72 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 72. So 180, this is 108. So value of x is 108, right? Now number 12, the diagram shows a cuboid. We have this cuboid here. On the 1 centimeter square grid. We are given this grid here, you see. Complete the net of the cuboid. One face has been drawn for you. If you see the length, width, and we have 3, 2 and 6, right? So every face should have like 3 times 2, 2 times 6 and also 3 times 6. Now if you see this, we have 6 here this side and we have 2 this way, 6 by 2, right? 6 by 2, 1 is there, we should have 2 faces of 6 by 2. So another face can be 3 by 2. So if we take here 3, let me take here 3 this way and 2 is this way, so that it joins this one, right? So if we take this one, the same should come on this side, right? Now what about this? Now this is 6 by 3, automatically 6 by 3, this is 6 by 2 and this is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2, 3 by 2, we got these two, and 6 by 3 is here, 6 by 2. So we need one more. So parallel to this is going to be this 6 by 3. It should come over here, because when you fold it should come parallel to each other. So this is 6 by 3. So now we are left with 6 by 2 here, 6 by 2, 6 is there, 2 is going to be here. So you see, now every dimension has come twice. So this is the net that you can see like this, you see. Okay, so I hope you guys understood. Kindly share it with your friends if you liked it, and press the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will wait for your feedback, guys. God bless you guys. See you in the next video.